Hey, welcome my scrapping friends. I am Vanessa and this is Scrapping It Up. Today I want to do an album share with you guys. These are Pocketful Folios. These all came from the recipe album. If you haven't seen the recipe album, please go check it out. I done a final review on it, and I done live classes on it. But from that album, I was able to do 7 different folios. Okay, and if you enjoy folios, I'll tell you what, you need to get this. You really do. It's a Pocketful Folios. Okay, this is style number 1. There's 7 different folios, and they hold anywhere from 50 to 100 pictures, and there may be even a couple of them that may hold more than 100. Okay, they're simple, they're easy, they're fun. So let's dive in. All right, so I just kind of collaged the front up with the collection. I use Simple Stories Jingle All The Way collection for this one. And I do use kraft-tex in all these 7 folios, okay? And I will be doing an album review. I've got 3 of them done. I've got 4 more to get decorated yet. But these 3 I want to get to you because these might make some wonderful Christmas gifts. You may want to make these, so I wanted to get it out there so you could have it, okay? I do have all the videos done. I have the cutting guide. It's all done for you, the written instructions. The 3 or the 4 I don't have decorated yet, okay? But I want to get this out to you because Christmas is right around the corner. All right, there's the back of it. So let's open this up. Oops. All right, so you open it up, and here I just glued my paper down, and tags from the collection, and they just slip right in here. So you can put a photo here. Candy canes, silver lanes aglow. Pretty neat. And I did the same thing over here. Okay, then this opens up, and you have a pocket and a pocket. And like I said, this is with the Simple Stories, excuse me, Jingle All The Way. So you open it up. So then you have a belly band. Oh, I got the hiccups. Wow. That's the first time I've ever had the hiccups during a video. Here is this patchwork page, okay? And it's part of the construction, and we just build off of it. And I kept it real simple. I just used a couple of the snap cards from the collection. And then on the back side, I used some plain cardstock and then a sticker from the collection. So then you have a pocket here. Okay. And I just decorated it with some of the bits and pieces from the collection. Really gorgeous paper. Oh my gosh. Simple Stories just really outdone themselves. So then this flips. And you have a pocket, and you have a pocket. Then these flip open, and I'm probably off camera, sorry. There's your belly bands. I mean, you could make this and have this completed in, probably even decorated within 3 to 4 hours. Very, very quick project. And look how cute. So that's why, I was going to wait till I got all 7 of them decorated. I'm like, no, there may be some of you that may want this because I know there's a lot of you out there that make just the folios, quick little projects. You don't do the big, mini albums. So I wanted to get this out there. So if you guys want to make these for Christmas, you can. But, oh, very cute. Oops, these go first because these keep everything nice and tidy. All right, that is style number 1 of the Pocketful Folios. Keep an eye out because every day I will be releasing the rest of them. Okay, let me know what you think of these in the comments. Give me a thumbs up or, even subscribe to my channel. All right, Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Keep scrapping.